You see this days, you already know what time it is. Vantu.
Swakopmund.
Swakopmund.
Very, what are you saying?
This nice guy giving it here. No more alcohol. December tip. Water.
Cap.
Fucking H2O.
Cap.
Very juice.
Time to drive what?
Please come in the car.
The echo's gonna be on, it's gonna be colder.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
I was waiting for you at the door. On the phone. On the pole.
Like, what is life without fun enemies?
It's me and my home.
Like, imagine living on the farm, no internet,
No memes.
You watch
just
the Walking Dead.
SMS. I have,
Yeah, now listen.
Right on.
like, during the day, how do you see it's upsetting me in my home girls?
It's upsetting me and my homegirl.
Look with your
on
eyes,
the
your
road.
phone is right here.
On the floor.
Right now, dude,
I was
all I
waiting
see
for
is money
you
maker.
at the door.
Yeah, so right now you don't need to say anything in it.
I need to see the bad bitch that I am.
Yeah, that was a bad throw. I won't lie to you.
Why you must? Is that English?
The Festive English guys.
Longer timer.
You'll find out. Is it acrylic? Is it gel?
Now my brother Yekuru, what are you going to do with this shandy, eh?
If you really want to talk to us, come to the house.
I'm coming.
The guy called to say I'm coming.
The guy look like he literally, if you go there, he lives there. Don't worry, I'll tell her hella stuff today. I'll tell her hella stuff today.
I don't know what idiot goes out the night before a big festival. You know we're drinking the whole day. In a bit, bitches.
Lifestyle, everything crazy. If you don't chat to your guy, your GOC. I ain't talking Mercedes, nah. Let's talk about drama. I got.
Deno, please go and change so we can go. Hi.
Oh shit, this phone is sensitive as fuck.
Hi Jazz, what are you saying for the day?
I need a tissue.
You got caught slipping, bruv.
Never get caught sleeping, Buffalo.
Buffalo. Come on, take it down. I know it's cold, but take it down. Let it drip, it doesn't matter. What type of fridge is this? We have more to drink than we have to actually consume. There's no food in here. Tomatoes and shit, but ain't no food. Hey! Look at the eyes, ladies. Hello. Buffalo. Is she left-handed? Buffalo. Yes, come on, fans, for the fans. Woo! That's what we love to see. You know the vibes. Hi. Behind the scenes and that. Group picture. Come. Go on, baby.
Come take a picture.
Soul models, spilling ace on my sick days. So bitch behave, just might let you meet Eddie. I'm so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crack. That shit crack. That shit crack. I'm so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. That shit crack.
Sit in the middle, Deno.
Shahida. Hello, mama.
Where you guys?
We are about to turn into SOS.
Yeah, I feel.
We're by the quad bike place, like about.
We're gonna make a movie tonight, yeah? You know what it is. Love that, love. What's happening? Yeah. Everything's all good. When everything is good, you have nothing to complain about. Nothing. From London to SA to Namib, we're international. Really, he's not impressed. Not impressed at all. Fuck, I just got accommodate.
Dear Sound of Summer, don't add 2,000 more tickets if you can't accommodate.
Yeah, we back again, yeah. Now wait.
I forgot it, I'm sorry.
What up? What we saying, dude? You know the vibes. You know the vibes, my guy. Yeah.
I'm happy always.
Always with the Ernie Red Bull motocross rider.
Yeah, bro.
That's the man with the plan. You already know.
You know where we from. Are you gonna wait for days?
Y'all don't know me.
Yeah, from the six, from the original six. Upside, from the six. See, we got BD over here, we got A over here. Yeah. I just kept niggas in their elements.
Break. Why are you breaking things?
What did you even do?
What did you break?
It's the
Baby. Chicken. I originally came here to ask somebody to break the code.
You keep spelling, man. You like to spelling.
I make clean. Look, I'm looking sweeter than most.
Baby, tonight, I let you know.
Aria Senten.
Sorry, I just came to break the code, but now we are live. See what you need to do in life? In life, you need to break the code, right?
Ellie, please, there are kids here, bro.
I miss YouTube, Chamigela.
OP, are you kidding me? Oh, by the way, we got our nails done. We have some basic bitches with us called Vino and Ellie. Aria Senten. That's my percentage. Tell me.
It's like the first time seeing a phone. Everyone wants to be in the frame.
I don't want your ass, okay now.
All I want, all I'm on, BVS, twerking, bust it down, run it up, build it up, burn it, shoot it, wink, pour a drink, catch up with, surf it, you know you earned it,
really put working. All I want, all of my BBS twerking. Bust it down, run it up, fill it up, burn it. Shorty wink, pour a drink, catch up with, surf it. You know you earned it, really put working. Fill it up, burn it, puffing on furnace. Niggas can't tell you nothing, you know you earned it. Niggas concerning, seeing snakes lurking. Yeah, they want shallow, really put working. But they did it all for clout, can't eat for word of mouth. But nothing like them grew up in the end, so we're tryna make it out. I'll sit back and blow the loud, for a lot when the blunt. Sit there laughing with my brother, hella chatting, niggas sitting doing none. These funny ass man just moved them from me, or just give me space. Bro steps in, but them things on ways, if it back out that thing, protect your base. All that bossy man, slip no chase. Shorty want if I spend the night, do the thing, yeah, she do it right. We be jigging, tryna make it double, want an AP. On my mum and I'ma say this, I would jig and do a 9 to 5. Any hustle that can pay me, looking to go down when I done wrong. But we be surviving, tryna add another ooh. If they're ever on it, know that Zaki got it, tryna split the profit with the booze. All I want, all of my BBS twerking. Bust it down, run it up, fill it up, burn it. Shorty wink, pour a drink, catch up with, surf it. You know you earned it, really put working. All I want, all of my BBS twerking. Bust it down, run it up, fill it up, burn it. Shorty wink, pour a drink, catch up with, surf it. You know you earned it, really put working. I pull up and swerving shit. Blacked out tints, white A6, 110 on the M where you puff that loud and I see the whip just skid. Yeah, that's true. He want to back up this cop that, no time for all that shit. While she talks about that.